Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku. Yes, the third Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on a Saturday, January the 23rd, 2021. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku. Two puzzles left, binary and a tectonic. And this one will be number 2, 2, 1, 2. 2212. Alright. 2212. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O and one there one. Double O and one there one. Double one here no there no. Double one here no there no. Double O here one there one. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here no there no. Double O here 1 there 1. Double O here 1 there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1 there 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then. Between two O's comes in 1. Okay. Yeah, I know. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So we have here 1, 2 O's, 3 O's, 4 O's. So this should be a 1. Okay. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Yeah, this column and that column. 1, 1, empty box. O, empty box. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. O. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 there, this should be an O. Alright, between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Compare again. Yes. 101, do we have a 101 here? Yeah. The first row and this row. 0011, empty box. 0011, 0011. Yes, these two digits we need to switch. With an O there, this should be a 1. With a 1 there, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Yes, finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this binary PDF file. Just follow the link below and you can download this and you can solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last Sudoku. Bye bye for now.